friends, and welcome back for another episode of Planta by Gia. I am your plant-based nutritionist, and today I want to share with you guys my favorite green juice recipe for immunity, for detoxing the body, and overall health. I was absent for a week because guess what? I graduated! I now have a master's degree in nutrition. Guys, it was a long, hard road, but I did it! All right, so let's get to the good stuff. So first off, why juicing? Well, juicing has so many amazing benefits. Some like lowering cholesterol, blood sugar, helping in weight loss. It also has great side effects like glowing skin, better brain power, better sleep, and it even keeps you hydrated, which helps with aging. It also keeps our immune system strong by supplying nutrients to the blood quick. And I'm sure we know that having a strong immune system is critical during these times. Having a strong immune system is so important because what it does is it keeps our body strong and healthy and able to fight off any type of viruses or bacteria that enter our bodies. The main ways to keep our immune system strong is to eat a lot of fruits and vegetables and to get exercise. That is why I love juicing so much, because it's an easy way to get in those extra fruits and veggies. So this green juice specifically has nutrients that are great for strengthening the immune system, detoxing heavy metals from the body, and hydration. Each ingredient has a specific function on how to heal the body. And when you mix it all together, it turns into a power blend that I am so excited to share with you. So this green juice needs 2 stalks of celery, 1 lemon, half of a green apple, 2 inches of ginger, and a cup of spinach. I actually doubled it because I want to make extra and save the rest for later. And I want to let you guys know that food is medicine. When you eat healthy, it prevents you from getting sick, and it also heals you when you are sick. Too many people nowadays take too many prescription drugs, which lower our immune systems and cause a laundry list of side effects. Okay, I think I just went on a rant. Where were we? Celery. So do not underestimate celery, my people. It may be made out of 98% water, but it is amazing for the body. It has these compound elements which actually help with detoxing the body from heavy metals. So celery juice also helps with inflammation. It helps with preventing UTIs. It can help with eczema, psoriasis. It can also help with acne, reducing bloating. There is a long list of benefits from celery juice. And if you're interested in learning more, I highly recommend reading the book Celery Juice by the Medical Medium. I'll link the book down below. So next we have lemon. Now lemon is filled with vitamin C, which is so good for our skin. It also helps tremendously with digestion, with any bloating issues. There is so many benefits to lemon. When you're juicing, you don't need to really peel any other fruits and vegetables, but I do recommend peeling citrus fruits, only because they can give you a sour taste if you don't peel them. Also, I highly recommend that you wash your fruits. There can be all different types of bacteria on the fruits, and just make sure you give it a nice wash with a nice little scrub on it, and you should be just fine. Next, we have green apple. Green apple is what gives the sweetness to the juice. I like my juice to be extra gingery, so I only use half of a green apple, but you could totally add more if you want it sweeter. Now, green apple helps with a bunch of different things. It can help with skin texture, it can help with fighting off acne, fighting wrinkles, and it also gives you a natural protection from the sun. I think that is just so cool, don't you? Next, we have my favorite, which is ginger. So ginger has been used for hundreds and hundreds of years in Chinese medicine. It comes from Southwest Asia. Ginger is probably my favorite plant because it has and continues to help me so much every single day. It really helps with smoother digestion, and it also has anti-inflammatory benefits which help prevent heart disease. It's also very spicy, so be careful with how much you put in. So last but not least is spinach. Spinach is the richest plant of vitamin K. It also has lots of amounts of vitamin A, which helps our eyesight. It has a lot of vitamin C, iron to keep our bones strong, and magnesium. Next, we gotta talk about our juicer. So this is my little baby. This is a Breville Juicer, and I love it so much because it's so easy to use, it's easy to clean, it's affordable, and it lasts forever. I had an older model before this, and it lasted me for almost 4 years, and I juice almost every single day, so that is a great investment. I highly recommend this brand. I'll link it down below for you guys if you want to check it out. Also, to use the juicer, they have 2 different switches, a high and a low. I usually put everything on low except for a little tougher things like ginger or the green apple. It all depends. So all this talking has got me thirsty, so let's make some green juice. Mother's Nature's purest. Can't get more beautiful than this, honestly. So you saw that I had made extra, and I put it in these air-sealed containers. When you make a raw juice, they have live enzymes, and they can die after 15 minutes of oxygen. That's why you put them in air-sealed containers, and I actually got these from Amazon. They're so convenient and beautiful. You can take your juices anywhere. So comment down below if you would try this juice. Highly recommend investing in a juicer. You can use it for all different types of things. Fresh orange juice, pineapple juice. Honestly, it gets addicting. And it's so healthy for you. I also love juicing cucumbers. Cucumber juice, when I drink it, I feel so hydrated after. It's just something that you have to try. I've linked all the products that you've seen in this video down in the description. Also, I wanted to tell you guys that I just launched my website. You can go to plantabygia.com to find weekly blogs, as well as sign on for my nutrition and fitness one-on-one coaching. You can also find me on Instagram at Planta by Gia. I love you guys. Thank you for tuning in, and I'm excited to see you guys for next video. Eat your celery.